Hi, I'm architect Milana Malakkar of Vivo Space Architects, Bangalore. All of us are here today for IAA Latitude, which is an annual event of the Karnataka chapter of IAA, and it gives me immense pride and joy to welcome everyone for this event that is being conducted by IAA Karnataka chapter. And I think the whole experience has been so overwhelming, meeting all the distinguished international architects and architects from our country, designers and other artists being here to share their knowledge. So there's something called Knowledge Sharing Series, which is incredibly kind of wonderful, where a lot of us as architects, where we see a lot of content out there, but I think it has been an exceptional detail that we got to see, which is being worked out by a lot of international architects that we wouldn't have got exposure to. But we also get to see on different platforms like ArcDaily and other international magazines. But this is something where we actually get to hear them talk about their work. So we get to understand the soul of their work. And I think this event has also been a very nice platform to meet new vendors, understand their product, something that's different and something that's functional, which is most needed. I think as architects, it's very important for us to design meaningful spaces, buildings that can resonate to the emotion of the user, and that's something is a larger responsibility for us as architects to uphold in the times ahead. I think when it comes down to materials, when it comes down to application and usage, that's something that we have to be very conscious about. And I think IAA has been a very good platform for architects on a national level, as well as with different chapters at state level, which is doing incredible work to bring the fraternity together. I think today we had about more than 800-900 architects come together to celebrate design. I think today has been a true celebration with respect to how the whole event has unfolded since yesterday. And I would like to thank the team for giving me this opportunity to share my insights about this. Thank you so much.